This is Revolution 7835. I'm a mess. Let's hope this break is better. It's a random team break. There's a couple of naughty people. I'm going to deal with them later, but for now. After 5 spins, the team on top goes to Rob Normovsky, and the team at the bottom goes to Joshua McAnulty. I hope that's correct. Now, can I still use this bit? Okay, just finding out what part of the screen I can still actually use because I dropped it. Because Wiggy, if you're watching, that is the worst stand ever. I don't know how you thought that would be okay, but you've shit the bed. 3, 4, and 5th and final time. Zach Min. I'm going to need some basketball scores off people too. Has been saved under we picked up his spots. Two, 3, 7. 2, 3, and 7 is going to be on the bottom on this side. Yep, that out. Yes. Warriors know it's even. Paramount Plus, that's all. This is 3, yeah. Yeah, they can't afford anyone better than Mason Mount because no one watches their shows. If I signed up for Paramount Plus and I got Mason Mount ads, I'm asking for a refund. Good luck, mostly to me, because I need it. Oh, this is bad. Starting off with an impact of Jaden Springer. 115, 149. Devin Booker Shockwave. Dejunte Groove. Single. I'm stressed, anxious, tired, angry, and then Bailey sends me an email. Jerry Wisekamp, Gaza. Oh, we have one of the die cuts in this one. Is it a good one? It's not. It's just a base. That's Big Woody. It felt like that pointy Cade one we got last night. I don't know what that is called, that star one. Just a few breaks today. Showcases will go up tomorrow. That's a fractal, by the way. Friday's breaks will go up tonight. I'm hoping by about 10-ish. Booker Astro, I don't know how long this event goes for. Suggs. Bowman running tonight. Is Bowman even out today? Which Bowman? Sorry. Groove Jackson. 4. Star Factor, thank you, Sean. It's an event, Bailey, and just a little someone we're going to be working with in the very near future. Bowman 22, I'll have a look after this for you. It's definitely not here, unless it's Bowman University football, which looks amazing, by the way, but I have no idea who you wanted that. Fractal Barnes, Shockwave Jar. Rookie Revolution, James Bouknight, Georgios, MLB. Yeah, damn right, it got lost in the mail. Probably sent it in amongst all your emails, so you'll never find it. AORR. Send me another email, babe, I dare ya. You can't unsend an email, so you're stuffed. Bones. Auto, and it's the Chocolate Man, Jason Williams. Heat. Anniversary of Isaiah Jackson. Mosaic. Vortex. Zach. We need a lift here, Shawnee. Got an auto, which is good. Giddy rookie. The big X to you too, Fossey. That means I hate him, but he already knows that because he sent one to me. Astro Kaminga, Santa. Come in up there. Georgios Fractal. If you've been into store recently, we are turning those front counters. There's 4 of them. 2 of them currently have products and the other 2 have slabs. By COB tomorrow, all 4 will be just slabs only. AO Cosmic. $59.99. Hey D. Alright, cooked. Big night last night. Thank you to everyone who stayed right till the end. Another auto. What can I give away for this? Because the box is full. What can I give away? I can give away whatever that is. No, don't guess yet. Psychos? I'm going to give away the Wizards in teams because no one's bought them yet. So guess team only. Aiton, okay, now we have to check if this one's numbered properly. 10 of 75. If that was numbered to 10, I would have lost it. Kyrie. I've taken them out, so we've had Raptors guest on Facebook. Groove PG and Herbie Jones. Grizz guest on Facebook. Ryan, it was amazing last night, Revolution. It's the best it's been. Oh, that's enough guessing. Rookie auto, we don't want, was it 13, 16, 19 or something? 15, that was definitely one of them. It's James Bouknight.